Here's our first SLO question. And basically what the question assesses is, can you reconstitute data from a stem and leaf plot, and then can you find the mean, median, mode, range, and standard deviation? So looks like this. These are ages of family members attending a family reunion, and we had some discussion in the class yesterday about whether or not this was population or sample. I would assume that not everybody was able to attend. You know, somebody might not have been able to get there or whatever. But on the test, to make it a little clearer, I said that, you know, not everybody came to the reunion. So that means this data is from a what? A sample, okay? But looking at the stem and leaf plot, the values of the ages would be what? 3. Okay, very good. Okay, so there are those ages. And now what we want to do is find these different values. We could put the numbers in our calculator to come up with the mean, the median. They're already in order here. So we've got how many people who attended? 16 people attended. So the median is going to be the mean of the 8th and 9th ages. So the mean of 26 and 32 is what? Is it 29? You sure? 8. Yes, okay, 29. All right, very good. 29. Okay, the median would be 29. So we got half of the people who are less than 29 and half who are older. Okay, the mode, we can easily see that as what? Okay, 32. All right, the range, we can easily get that is what? 63, is it? 66. Range is 66. That's the difference between the maximum age of 69 and the youngest age of 3. Okay, and then for the mean and the standard deviation, I would put the data on my calculator to come up with those values. Do that very quickly, if I can. Okay, we're going to go to Stat, Edit. Okay, put them in. We've got 9, 12, 14, 18, 23, 25, 26, 32, 32, 32, 35, 47, 49, 63. Okay, let's see. 60, 47, 49, 63, and 69. Okay, so we go to Stat. Go over to Calc, one variable stats. I put my data in L1 so I can just hit enter. And so I get a mean of 30.56 or 30.6. And then we get a standard deviation of which one? 18.75. Okay, because it's from a sample, all right, of our family. Question? X bar, that's right. Okay, there is a question on the test that asks you to identify those symbols. That's going to be really important. So make sure you go back over that. And on the practice test, you saw that as well. SX is the sample standard deviation. Sigma X is the population standard deviation. And then you were asking, how do I get the variance? If I wanted to get the variance from here, you could either just type it out, 18.75, 444,392, and then square it. That gives us the variance. Or if you wanted to take advantage of the calculator, I would go to VARS. Number 5 has all of the statistics stuff stored there. So I'm going to select that. And then everything that we just did is stored in one of these variables. So the variable that I want right now is SX, number 3. I'm going to square that, and that gives me my variance. So that's how we could get it.
It's a matter of knowing the calculator as well.
Somewhat, yeah. Oh, yeah, you got to know it.
You know the calculator, you know what buttons to push.
That's right.
What you want.
And in any other class,
I didn't see a video on that.
there is one on that introduced in the Chapter 3 module.
Now I saw
Not
the
on all
book.
the variants and stuff, but it's the sorting,
There's a one I saw with the instructions in the book there.
Okay. Okay.
But
All right.
not on the video.
Well, I thought we did this in class the other day, too. But maybe not. But anyway, that is how we do it. And, just practice it again. And I'll go back and look to see if it is not there indeed.
So, what's the answer we got there for standard deviation?
For the standard deviation, I would just take the square root of this if I didn't know. 18.75. All right. So and we also said what the mean was.